I have been giving thought about ways Jewish day schools might be able to better integrate the Yiddish and the Eastern European Jewish experience. Because our school is at a K through 6 level, it's a little bit more difficult. Because K through 6, it's hard to teach one second language, let alone two. And at the K through 6 level, you can't do things that are as complex. So you want to really, make sure that they have the basis in Hebrew. You want to make sure that they can negotiate the Siddur. You want to make sure that they know something about the holidays. You want to introduce them to Tanakh and then to Talmud. There's not a lot of time then to fit in something else. But I think that we've done a poor job, not as a school, but as a country, in not figuring out a way, even at the K through 6 level, of doing a better job within Jewish day schools of keeping Yiddish somewhere in that conversation. And I'd like to see more of that, and I've been trying to think of ways to do that. I think that it's probably easier in middle school and high school. In Jewish middle schools or high schools, where you oftentimes will then introduce a second language. Students will want to take Spanish or German or Chinese, where you can talk about more complex issues. That would be a wonderful place for Yiddish and Yiddish literature to be taught. My reading of those Jewish high schools that exist in major urban centers, not here, is that they don't do that. And I think that's a failure of Jewish education at those schools, and it's also a failure of the Yiddish academic establishment to be able to articulate a way where they would be able to do this and provide a fuller portrait of recent Jewish history and literature. It seems to me that this is a natural environment for high school students. High school students who are interested in reading great literature. There's so much Yiddish literature that could be taught that would be relevant to their experiences and also introduce them to a culture that is not so distant from their own experiences.